Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a collaborator on YouTube. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. Let's jump right straight in. So you open your YouTube app, then you click on the video you want to upload. So this one, then you click on next. So this is a YouTube short. Okay, so we're going to add a title. Okay. So made for kids, no. Okay, so I'm going to paste the description. So we're going to paste this one. Then we go back. Related. Okay, for location, I'm going to write Nigeria. Then related video. I'm going to add this one. Select that one. Okay, so collaboration. So basically, you're just looking out for where you're going to see collaboration. Then you click on invite a collaborator after clicking on the collaboration. Okay, so I'm going to search for my name. All right, so select this one. Allow analytics view, and then create link. Then you copy. You're going to send this link to the person you invited for collaboration or the person you are collaborating with. Then you click on done. Then you go back again. You go back again. Next, you select altered content. You can say no. Go back again. You could add tags if you want. Okay, then you upload shots. It's very easy. Okay, so you can see the video has been uploaded. So make sure you send the link to the person you are collaborating with. Okay? Send it to the person. So let's assume that the person has received it. The person will have to click on this link and then accept it. If it's with their mobile phone, make sure they have YouTube Studio app and the account is signed in on it already. Okay, take note of that. So we'll launch YouTube Studio. So this is the account that wants to accept it. So once the person clicks on it, it opens YouTube Studio and gives the breakdown of what they're about to accept. Okay, so you can see the details is a 1 minute 25 second video and all other information. That you click accept, and that's it basically. Okay, very, very simple. Very, very simple. So you could go back to YouTube and you would notice that it's now showing that there's a collaborator involved. So you can see. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. See you in the next one.